Hey guys, it's me Lily. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be opening up this squishy package that I got online. And all I know is that they are avocados. I don't know what they look like. It's from DotDotBang. Let's get into it. Here is the bag. And it comes with our little extra. Here's the extra bag. What extra comes in. So we have in our bag 2 stickers, DotDotBang's card, a DotDotBang little notebook, a nice extra squishy, nice one. It's really sticky. I like the sticky ones. Then it comes with the DotDotBang signature keychain, and it is a corgi. And we have a couple of their keychains, but they have mermaid tails, and I guess this one just does not have a mermaid tail. A nice corgi head. And if you collect all the cards, then you get something off of a squishy. This is Leo the lion. And we've had 2 Aquarius ones before. And on the back it says collect all 12 Mew Mew Bag Zodiac cards to redeem a $50 value DotDotBang gift card. So that's a really good deal. Now I'm going to open up here's the bag, the drawstring. It says all you need is love and a Mew Mew bag. So the first squishy in here is this huge fat pawpaw galaxy avocado squishy, and it has a bow and pink cheeks, a little purple star. Here's the back. So here it is, and it's got a galaxy bow. Here's the back, really good texture. It's got the ball. It's a pretty dense squishy. And it's got light blue, dark blue, purple, all the galaxy colors. It's really big too. So also there is a little bit of white paint on our seed from our avocado from, I think, the splatter. And it is a little defected right there. And it's got some really good texture on the back. Kind of feels like a road. It's really soft and smooth on the front, and texture on the back. So, my next squishy is a small avocado. Ooh, this one's so good. I like this one. So, the packaging is Fat Pawpaw Avocado Squishy. It's yellow with a bunch of avocados. You can see the avocado in there. Let's take them out. So it comes with this ball chain avocado. And his seed is like a heart. And you can put this on your backpack. Here's the avocado, and I think it is a watermelon themed avocado. Here the front is. And the bow is like watermelon, and the back is like the outside of a watermelon inside. The face is super cute, and it's got the seed. And on the back it kind of looks like a pickle up on the front. And it's really bubbly, kind of feels like bubbles. And it's 2 different colors, like it was melting. My favorite one is the watermelon one because he's so cute. I really like the Galaxy one a lot, but I like the smaller ones. I don't know why. And this one is really dense, but I really liked it. I really want to get more of the avocado family. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!